Something's gonna jump scare me. I can already tell you. I know it's gonna happen. Oh! Okay, so today we're gonna play a game called Train 113, and I don't know anything about this game. Never really heard of it or anything other than the only thing I know is that it takes place on a train. Apparently, the 113th train. So check it out together. Getting into spooky shit. It didn't take very long, did it? Okay, don't work. There's lights. She waits in the dark. Walking on the sea. I could see my own forehead. Okay. Oh, a baby carriage? What the fuck? What the fuck? What are you? Knife. Where's the knife at? Oh, God. Okay. That's totally normal on a subway in New York. That stuff happens all the time. Yeah, somebody want to notify the conductor that I'm having some psychotic visions, hallucinations here? I just roll a baby off the train. That's fucked up. Oh, keeps fucking with the switch, man. What the hell? Is that a bunch of little eyes? What is that? What is that? Upside down cross. Cool. I'm totally not scared, not at all. Shit. Oh, no, what is that? What the fuck is that? Bunch of bones? I'd like to get off at the next station, please. How is there nobody on the train, though? Like, in New York, there's always... I'm assuming this is New York. Humming. It's behind me. I don't like this. A lot of backtracking. It's forcing me to walk through it normally, then through a... Oh, great. Buttons flashing. I wonder what this does. Probably turns the lights out, right?
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Yep, cool. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, what is that? Something dripping from the ceiling. Oh, it's chains. Why the fuck are they, like, spazzing out? What the fuck? What was that? Okay. Oh, the chain... Okay. What the fuck? Put your hands up, dude. You're getting smacked. What the hell is that? Something's flashing right here. Key? Oh, no. Oh, no. Run away. Time to run away. Run. She's on fire. This girl's on fire. Oh, hi. You killed me. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. That seems like a cheap way to kill you off. Was that the end? No, that wasn't the end. Oh. Okay, I'm upside down. Demon. Pentagram. fuck was that? Someone crawling on the ground? Oh shit, it's something's gonna jump scare me, I can already tell you. I know it's gonna happen. Oh god! What the fuck?
Thank you very much for playing our little game. It's just an alpha version. And yeah, we want to make a full game of it. And if you like, support us on Patreon. Patreon. And yeah, have a nice day.
What the fuck? Damn, my fucking heart almost jumped out of my goddamn chest. If you guys are all interested in playing this game yourself, it's called Train 113. I'm going to put the link down in the description below. Damn, that was really good. It kept me on the edge of my seat the entire time, and that's something that, you know, these indie games, they suck you in these 9-10 minute games. They really they get you going, and it's like I really wish AAA games would do that, but it seems like, you know, they just don't have that fear factor, that horror factor, you know, and this game definitely has it. So yeah, by all means, if you guys are at all interested in games like this, hit up their Patreon page, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be donating to these guys. I want to see a full version of this game. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. Take care, have a good weekend, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.